Hey guys, this is video number 2 of the day, and in this video I'm going to explain how to sign up for and use a chemistry game that we're going to use probably throughout a bunch of the rest of the year called Collisions. I was able to upload everybody in our Google Classroom so that you have kind of already an account. Unless you're in a modified class or a class that was already distanced already, and I'll explain that in a little bit. But for people that are just part of our regular Google Classroom class, you will click on Login and then sign in with your Google account. For others, I'm going to be giving you a class code, and I'll share that on Google Classroom that you'll type in on this. So know that. I'm going to click Login and sign in with Google just so I can get in. And this is what the first screen should look like. We're going to click on the one that says Atoms, like this. And I've already completed the first 3 levels. That's why it looks a little different for those 3. But you're going to click on the first one, Level 1, Atoms. And these first 3 levels of the Atoms portion are kind of a tutorial just to show you how the game works. There'll be some information here, and it'll say click to continue after you read it. Make sure you read it so that you understand what it's showing you. Right now, these are just some instructions. I'm going to tap on that because that's what it was telling me to do. An orbital is a certain part in the electron levels where electrons are located. So I'm going to tap it to add an electron in there. I'll swipe to the left, it says, and up. So I put that orbital with the proton, and there we go. This is now a model of hydrogen, similar to the model that you made a little bit ago. And you just continue to follow the instructions that are given to you on the screen, and level 1 was just that easy. I want you today to do the first 3 levels just to become a little bit familiar with how this works.